Discuss C solution to LeetCode problem number 408, valid word abbreviation. Before we discuss, please like, share, subscribe, and hit on the bell button for notifications. I have also added a lot of LeetCode quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now back to the problem. You are given a word and an abbreviation, and you are supposed to tell whether this abbreviation is valid for this word or not. So its abbreviation is by removing n number of characters and replacing that with the n in the abbreviation. So in this case, it is a valid abbreviation. If you see I and then up to this, right, IZ, which this IC, these are 12 characters in there, and after Z, so there is N, and so ATIO, that's 4 characters, so it has replaced with the number 4. So given these two strings, you are supposed to tell whether it's a valid abbreviation or not. The C++ solution I discussed is almost similar, except that you have the string and the length advantage in C++, but it's not a big obstacle in the case of C solution, because you get null terminated strings and you can use it. Is actually in fact more efficient, I think, because as you go through, if you check if it is null terminated, basically that's the way to end the string. So you check whether you have indices I and j, I tracking word and then j tracking abbreviation. So if both of them are not equals to 0, then basically you check if it is a digit like this. If it is a digit, then so if leading zeros are not allowed, so that's what you return false from here, or in the case of C language you can return 0, and if n equals to 0, then you initialize a number basically to convert these characters 1 and 2 into number 12. And so if it is as long as a digit, you do n times n equals to n star 10 plus abbreviation j minus 0. This is the actual place value conversion of character based number into integer number, and then you increment, and finally you add the 12 letters so that you can start matching I and Z. You add 12 to the I basically, and if it is not a digit, then the word should match, like in the case of I, and in the case of IZ and IZ, they should match. If they don't match, you once again return 0, and then you increment by I++ and then J++, and at the end of it you have to basically return, both of them has to do the null termination here. Basically internally in the memory at this point there will be zeros, and so if they both are zeros, then you return true. Otherwise, like if there is one more one more internalizations kind of thing, then it is not a valid abbreviation. So that's what it is. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any comments. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.